a multi-year breakout, as well as a historic moment coming for XRP. We're going to be breaking down what is happening in the market, what you should be looking at, and why people still should be very bullish on what XRP is about to deliver. All of that in this video. And if you enjoy cryptocurrency content like this, smash up that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat when we go live or upload daily cryptocurrency content. And also drop a comment down below. Let me know what your price prediction is for XRP this bull cycle. With that being said, let's get into this video. So it's no secret the cryptocurrency market has taken a bit of a dip. In fact, the 108 all-time high, we haven't really done anything other than go down since then. Bitcoin hovering around 95,000, with XRP sitting at about $2.20, actually holding up pretty well against the rest of the market. Take Ethereum as an example, at 17% down over the last 7 days, even Solana at nearly 20%, and even Bitcoin itself down at 9.13%. While XRP down about 10%, holding its own as the fourth largest cryptocurrency out there, currently trading around $125.9 billion market cap with just over $11.3 billion in volume. So the question has to be, what's coming next? Well, there's a very interesting article all around the SEC, and we've talked about this. Paul Atkins going in to be the SEC chair, Hester Pierce talking about regulatory easing for cryptocurrency startups, and more importantly, understanding adoption of digital assets. Well, this may lead to exactly what I've been talking about now for the last month or two, which I think the SEC case gets thrown away. I mean, in fact, today they sued for another $123 million, someone as part of the Terraform Labs, a long-drawn move out from the $4 billion that they got with Binance and what they set out with the $2 billion originally against Ripple. But Ripple's appeal against the SEC is moving forward with key deadlines set for 2025. The SEC's response to Ripple's case could be delayed by a potential US government shutdown. Now, the reality is that's not going to happen. What is going to happen, though, is Trump is going to be inaugurated on January 20th, and the complete reform of both the SEC, the FOMC, the FDIC, and many others of the financial elements of the US government are about to change. Ripple remains confident, however, despite ongoing challenges and appeals in the XRP lawsuit, that ultimately will move forward, and that Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals scheduling dates for 2025. Like I said, I still believe this is going to get thrown out. And I think this is why we're not seeing a big push from Ripple and why it's not really being talked about, because ultimately we know Gary Gensler steps down as Trump is inaugurated. And that's the point in which I think it's about to move forward. It says here, the new development, according to close sources, dragging lawsuit onto the end of Monday, the 23rd of December. Yes, we did it. We won XRP. Ripple Lord there giving his view. Now, there's also some key talking points around the price, and we've been discussing this for a while. Like I said right at the very start of the video, XRP's been holding up pretty well, but a critical $2.20 support level is what we need. A bounce to the $2.70, and I actually think the market's due a move to the upside. We know Christmas historically is a challenge. Post-Christmas, though, lots of positives do tend to enter the market, but a potential risk of 196 is something to be mindful. So watch right now. At that $2.20, we are literally sat on that price point. We want to see this move to the upside. But the attention of crypto analysts, as well as suggested investors coming into the market, is really important. We could continue to see consolidation, but look out for a 270 breakout. Could be incredibly bullish, giving us very strong momentum then to go and retest something like $3 or maybe even higher. Right now, $3 would be the elusive point to get to, and you're probably looking at 2025. Well, I guess the question is, what are the catalysts that are going to bring that? Well, clearly, if the SEC does decide to drop the case against Ripple, that will be incredibly bullish. Equally, just a complete reform of regulatory clarity from the SEC will just be great for the overall cryptocurrency market. But in fact, Bitstamp giving a very interesting view of what that could look like, and more importantly, those legal disputes between the SEC and XRP. A prolonged consolidation trend has been in place for over 3 years, but the prospects of XRP in 2025 have never been stronger. There are projections that we even see a historic high of 355 in the first quarter. And I think a lot of people right now feel bearish in the market. A lot of people are licking wounds as Bitcoin is consolidated for about $10,000. But look, the market is about to change, and I still think we have a huge bull run in front of us. People even predicting prices high in XRP is up to $20, but they have to come with some sense. And equally, market volatility is going to be something to keep us very clear on. Expected approvals of XRP ETFs, and we'll break that down in another video tomorrow, are obviously important, and investor confidence right now is at an absolute high. It may not feel like it, but people are definitely bullish on the market. Institutions, in fact, are incredibly bullish, and we believe there is more upside to come. The road, however, is obviously fraught with volatility and fraught with risk. no one has a crystal ball. You can only predict on what's going on in the market, but I still think XRP has got a long way to go. If you take a look at the chart as an example, it actually looks pretty bullish. We're holding up on some key price levels at 220 that we talked about right now, but even this consolidation in this very shallow bull flag is very, very good news indeed. Holding key support levels with good volume is giving us an absolute momentum move when it comes to the price of XRP. You only have to take from the top to the bottom, and you can see that we're holding well off the 236 Fibonacci, looking at a potential push over the 2.30, giving us a potential 2025 start around the 0.5, which would be 242, or even slightly higher at the 618 at 254 if the market comes in as we expect over the course of the next week and a half post-Christmas and into that new year. Optimism, bullish sentiment, and ultimately a new US president has to be a big catalyst for the market, so watch out. There is tons of stuff coming. We know that Ripple, again, has donated to Trump's inauguration. We know that Brad is certainly positioning himself for part of that cryptocurrency movement. And I think lots of bullish moves, as always, to come in the market. So let me know what you think about it all in the comments down below. What's your view on XRP? Is the bull market over? I want to know what your thoughts are. So drop it down in the comment. And don't forget, check out some of the links in the description if you're bullish on everything cryptocurrency. Until next time, thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.